So, I want to invite you to an unforgettable seminar.
My name is Ksenia. I completed the seminar SFL by Yakov Gershkovich in Prague 1 year ago. And this seminar was changed my life. And what's happened after? My partners and I, we are opening a beautiful place in Marbella. The name is Face Sculpture. We would like to organize the seminar with Yakov here in Marbella.
For the first time, the seminar will be held in Spain on the Costa del Sol in the city of Marbella. A beautiful place, a wonderful place. I live there. The best weather in the world. And this will not just be a seminar, it will be a seminar retreat. With a view of the sea, along with meditations, we will also learn how we accumulate energy in our hands and strengthen ourselves. And with the help of these hands, we can create miracles. We don't just touch manually, we work energetically. For the first time in this place, Spain, October. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you.